Welcome back to my channel. It's time for January roundup and also time to switch up the products for month of February. My goal was to use each of the products 10 times in a month before I decide what to do with it. So let's start with this foundation from Catrice. It's Nude Drop Tinted Zero Foundation. I have it in shade 010N. I have used it exactly 10 times and I'm afraid that this oxidizes a lot. So I will show right here how it looks. And later I will swatch it at the end of the video and tell you what I've decided to do with it. I've used this Maybelline Superstay Concealer 17 times. This Essence Pure Nude Highlighter was used also 17 times, and as you can see, it broke on me when it fell down from my cabinet, but I just glued it in and I hope that it will stay in. This Essence Baby Got Blush Cream Blush was used exactly 10 times, and I cannot stand the scent of it. It smells a lot like watermelon and I can smell it a whole day. And this Tarte blush in shade Exposed was used 22 times in the month of January. This Benefit Hoola bronzer was used 12 times and I've hit pan on it. And this is the lightest bronzer that I have in my collection. And this Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer was used exactly 10 times. And it was completely new in my collection. I can smell it and I don't know if I like the scent of it. So I hope that I can somehow get rid of the smell of it because it's very sweet and I don't know if I can work with it. And then I have 3 lipsticks. The first one was from Lisa Eldridge in shade Society. And I think that this is the perfect everyday shade of lipsticks from Lisa Eldridge that I have. So this one out of all of the 4 that I have. This Charlotte Tilbury Icon Baby was also used 11 times. And I like it and I can use it every day. And this Clinique Almost Lipstick in shade Pink Honey was also used 11 times. So all of the lip products were used 11 times. And I really like it, but I need to be careful because it really emphasizes every dry patch that you have on lips. And as you can see, this is how much I've used it in a month since it was completely new. So I had actually a very good luck with all of the shades of the lipstick that I had in the month of January. So going forward, I will keep those 3 lipsticks. I really like the shades of it. I will keep this Tarte blush. I will be definitely keeping the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter because it's the best highlighter that I have in my collection, in my opinion. And I will also be keeping this Hoola bronzer. And this concealer from Maybelline will also stay because it's my favorite that I have. But when it comes to this upper row, this foundation, I will show you how much it oxidizes. As you can see, it's completely different color and it shows in the middle of the day, so I think I will declutter it since I have the one from L'Oreal that doesn't oxidize. I cannot stand the watermelon scent of this Essence blush, and also when I blend it on my cheeks, it looks like nothing, so it goes away. And I'm still deciding what to do with this bronzer because of the scent of it. So let me know if you have any tips on how to get rid of it or how to minimize the scent of it. And also I will be decluttering this Too Faced Pitch Perfect powder. The problem is the same as with those 2 products, so the scent of it is bothering me. So these 3 will be decluttered, even though this wasn't in my January rotation. And this one I'm still deciding. So the bottom row is yes, no, and this one is maybe. So I will show you what I will pick for the month of February. I will be working on this Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream. This will be my foundation for the month of February. And this one, Essence Stay All Day 14 Hours Concealer, will be my concealer for the month of February. I know this formula, I was using it last year, and this one is completely new. But when it comes to bronzer, blush, and highlighter, I will be working on my face palettes. The first palette is from Viv. It's Face Dimension palette in shade Dawn, and it looks like this. I have already used this highlighter last year, and I know that it doesn't suit me, so I will not be working on a highlighter. I'll be working on those two blushes. I don't know if those two colors suit me, so I need to check it out. So the first blush and the second one. For the bronzer, I'll be working from this one. It's a little bit dark, but I think I can make it work. And from this whole palette, I know that I like this blush, and I will decide if I also like some other products, because I will not be keeping a whole palette just for one shade of blush. And for the second bronzer, I will be working from this Charlotte Tilbury, and I will be working on this bronzer. Actually, it's a sculpt shade. It's a little bit light, but I think that it would be a perfect combination between dark and light. And for highlight, this would be a highlight. It also goes. And I will see how much I like it. So these are all of my complexions products. And now let's pick out the lip products. I have all of my lip products that haven't been in this product, in this Lisa Eldridge makeup bag, and I will choose them blindly. So first I will choose one of Charlotte Tilbury mini lipsticks, and this will decide which of the products that I'll be working further. So let's go with this one, and it is in 19's pink. So Charlotte Tilbury 90s pink. Oh, it's a little bit dark color. Okay. And then one of the more shinier formulas, I can go between this Essence, the Charlotte Tilbury, and Clinique. So since this one is a little bit darker, I will not be working on Clinique. I can decide between Essence, Hydra Kiss Lip Tint, and this Charlotte Tilbury in shade Pillow Talk. I will decide after I choose a bullet lipstick. So for bullet lipstick, I'm looking away. Oh, let's go with this MAC, and it's called Kinda Sexy. So it's lighter. Okay. In between those two. This one is a little bit darker. Let's go with this one from Essence. So here are all of the products that I will be working on in February. So this Misha BB Cream, Essence Concealer, those two bronzers from Viv and Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, two blushes, and then MAC lipstick, 90s pink from Charlotte Tilbury, and this Hydra Kiss lip tint from Essence. And I need to use each of the products at least 10 times before I decide what to do with them. And I will let you know at the end of February my decisions about products. So see you then. Bye.